Hello everyone, most of the lighting designer. In traditional cabling setups, connecting lighting consoles to fixtures requiring separate converters and signal amplifiers. This results in a scattered array of equipment and a complex web of wiring, leading to extremely low efficiency in installation and deployment. The TEKMAND node serves as the coil network node of the TEKMAND intelligent lighting control system. It converts ArtNet network signals into standard DMX 512 signal to lighting fixture and features a built-in signal amplification module. This integrates two-in-one design directly addresses various signal transmission challenges encountered on project sites. From building on this, the device features a dual power supply system supporting both PoE and external main powers via Type-C, ensuring stable operation regardless of whether a PoE switch is present. Equipped with dual network paths and an integrated switching chip, the device supports BOE daisy chaining. Multiple nodes can be connected in a series using only internal cables. With only the first unit connected to the switch, while downstream units simultaneously receive power and control signals. These setups efficiently convert switch ports and cabling, making it ideal for distributed networking, deployments, and overhead truss mounting. Furthermore, the unit is complete with the RDM bidirectional communication protocol, enabling real-time two-way data exchange between the consoles and the fixture. This allows for the remote monitoring of the operational states on the fly DMX adjust configuration. It also supports remote firmware upgrades via ArtNet part parameters settings, and web-based status modeling significantly reduce the maintenance cost. The unit features an IP65 dust-proof and waterproof retail, enabling it to withstand harsh outdoor conditions such as rain, snow, moisture, and dust. It is highly versatile, suitable for a wide range of indoor and outdoor applications,